could you be the one? Shh. Good, good. Good, good. Could you be the one?
So we will proceed now to question number 3, example number 3. So here's the question. The expression ax cubed minus x squared minus bx plus 24 is exactly divisible by x squared minus 5x plus 6. So the question now, find a and b. So using the factor theorem, first we are going to find the factors of this trinomial. So let us use your calculator to find the factor of this. Everybody get your calculator. So press mode, M-O-D-E. I forgot to bring my calculator. Then you will see the 8 functions, right? Ano nakalagay? EQN there is? EQN? Okay, press, what is the number? Press 5. And then, there are equations, right? So how many equations? 4. So look at the equation, the standard form of quadratic equation. What number is the standard form of quadratic equation? What number? Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so press the number 3. Okay. So did you see ABC?
Yes.
Okay, ABC. Listen now. So the value of A, please pay attention. Okay, the value of A is 1 because A is the numerical coefficient of x squared. So press, using your calculator, 1 equals, go. Okay, then next, let's proceed now. The value of B is negative 5. So negative 5 equals. And then the last is C. The value of C is positive 6. So press 6 equals. Okay, to find the value of x sub 1, just press x equals. Okay, press equals. X sub 1 is how many?
3.
Okay, positive 3. Another equals?
2.
Okay, so 2. Now, to find the factors of this, x squared minus 5x plus 6, you just only transpose positive 3 on the left side. So it will become now x minus 3. Okay? The same with positive 2. When you transpose it on the left side, it will become now x minus 2. So therefore, the factors of x squared minus 5x plus 6 is x minus 3, x minus 2. Did you understand? Okay. So what is the purpose of this? X sub 1 equals 3, x sub 2 equals 2. You are going to use this to replace the value of x here. So we can create now 2 equations. Okay, so let's continue. Let's try x sub 1 first equals 3. So we have 8 times 3 raised to 3 based from this polynomial or expression. Minus 3 squared minus b times 3 plus 24 equals 0. Now, 3 cubed is how many? 27 times 8. 27, 8, correct. 3 squared. minus 9. 3 times b. So negative 3b, correct. 3 times negative b, negative 3b, then plus 24 is equals to 0. Then we have 27a minus 3b, then equals negative 9 plus 24, how many? 15 plus 15 is equals to 0. We can transpose positive 15, so 27a minus 3b equals negative 15. So this is now your equation 1. Okay, equation 1. To find equation 2, we will use this. Okay, x sub 2 equals 2. So again, using the expression, polynomial expression, we will substitute. So a times 2 raised to 3 minus 2 raised to 2 minus b times 2 plus 24 equals 0. 2 cubed, how many?
8.
Equals?
8.
Okay, 8 times 8, so 8a. Minus 2 squared is how many? So minus 4. 2 times negative b, negative 2b, plus 24 equals 0. So we have 8a minus 2b, negative 4 plus 24. How many? 20. So plus 20 equals 0. But we will transpose positive 20. So 8a minus 2b equals negative 20. So this will serve as your equation number 2. Okay? So we have now equation 1 and equation 2. So the question, find a and b. So to find a and b, we will use equation 1 and equation 2. So let us write it here. Equation 1 is 27a minus 3b, then equals negative 15. Equation 2, 8a minus 2b equals negative 20. Okay? Now, which variable are you going to eliminate first? A or B? So if you want to eliminate A, our target is make the numerical coefficient similar. Okay? In order to make it the same, we will multiply equation 1 by 8. Where did we get 8 from here? So multiply this by 8. Then multiply the second equation by how many? Very good, by 27. Okay, so let us use your calculator. 8 times 27 is equals to 8 times 27a. 216. A. 8 times negative 3b. Negative 24b. 8 times negative 15. Negative 120. Let's proceed here. 27 times 8a. 216a. 27 times negative 2b. Negative 54b. Then 27 times negative 20.
Negative 540.
Okay. So, since the numerical coefficients are the same, we will use subtraction here. So, if you will subtract, it will become 0, right? 216a minus 216a, 0. How about negative 24b minus 54b? Negative 24 minus 54 is how many? Equals? Okay, correct. 30. 30b. Then how about negative 120 minus negative 540? What is the answer? 120. 100?
400.
400?
20.
Okay, 420. Divide both sides by 30. So what is the value of B? 14. Okay, very good. So 14. So you have now B equals 14. So once you have the value of B, we can now find the value of A, the remaining variable. So to find A, listen, so just choose either equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, so we will substitute B. So which equations are you going to use? 1 or 2? 1. If we will use 1, so the solution will be 27A. Okay, so to find the value of A, to find A. So we will use this equation. So we have now 27A minus 3 times 14. So this is 14, right? B equals 14 equals negative 15. 3 times 14 is how many? Negative 42 equals negative 15. Then transpose negative 42. So 27A equals negative 15 plus 42. Negative 15 plus 42. How many? 27. Divide both sides by 27. So what is the value of A now?
1.
Okay, so therefore A is equals to 1. Okay, so from here, so A equals 1. So we have B equals 14, then A equals 1. So that is the final answer. Any question? Do you have a question? Okay, so